breaking your camera. So we've never had fried bread, and we are testing fry bread today. And the lady was just telling that her mom won a contest of fry bread, and the following year she won herself. And so as you order, she will make the dough.
You want everything on them?
Yes, on both of them. No, this is fry bread.
And the taco is the same. Everything's on the same bread.
This is one of the things that you got to do when you're here, out here at the Quartzsite. You visit the tent,
Yes.
and
It shows all the restaurants.
we will also try fry bread for snack. And they have a little tent if you want to sit down and visit. We are in a fry bread country. Hope this is really good. We'll let you know, guys, what we think of this awesome fry bread. You can try it. Thank you.
And the other one's even bigger. I don't know how to do small bread, so we're gonna have to push this one in there to get
We're
it
gonna
going in.
share, so.
And you guys are welcome to sit over here and eat if you like.
Yeah.
Well, if I can get us to go in, we'll be all right.
What
You know
a
what?
nice lady.
I'm not gonna crank
We
it.
won't even need it. We're gonna take it out of there fast anyways.
I was just talking the other day about it.
Yeah.
Huh?
One lemonade, you said?
Yeah, one limited.
Oh, can you get one lemonade for Sir Scott?
Oh, you want lemonade? Yeah,
No,
we'll
water.
take it. Huh?
No, just the water.
Oh, yeah, water.
No, I don't. Normally do. Would you like to try the lemonade first?
No, you have tea?
Yes.
I'll do tea.
I'm a tea drinker.
Yeah, me too. Lemonade's got the sugar.
And of course, if you're out here with your friends, hanging out, you know, we like to bring our friends with us and hang out with us and eat with us. So we have the American Wonder and Sir Scott Jacobs.
We went to Coffee Cross and I got to see them make the tea. They put 5 pounds of sugar in a 5 gallon.
Nice little place to hang out. Alright, we'll see about our fry bread.
Ooh.
This is called
Indian
fry bread.
It's like elephant ear.
Not saying much, but it's pretty good.
Thanks for watching.
So we like it so much, we ate all of it and we ordered a second one.
Yep.
Right, honey?
Yep.
So if you come to Quartzsite, please visit this fry bread and talk to the lady. She's the only one that's making it. And what's your name?
Christine,
Miss Christine. So we're gonna send some friends your way.
thank you very much.
Yes, you're
We
very
greatly
good.
appreciate it.
Very good.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's a big old scorpion.
They relocated it.
Yeah.
You see the turtles on this side? And then the mom
Just
and them
some more.
will move those to different spots. And they like to put them right underneath the steps. I had got
Every once in a while, you just have to come out here and take your broom and.
yeah. People sit there and eat that turtle. Oh! She got an awful sense of humor.
It's not real. She
My
can
dad is going to finish painting it up.
Hi, gorgeous. Hey, Lily. We are going to meet Lily.
That's my Lily.
Well, what kind is she?
Australian Shepherd.
Australian Shepherd.
And just for your YouTube channel, whenever we do fry bread, if they bring up their puppy, we do puppy breads for them too.
Oh my gosh,
We do
really?
little puppy breads
Say
for
that
the
again.
doggies.
What is it?
We do make little fry breads for the puppies when they come up with their parents.
Oh yeah.
So the parents get a fry bread and the puppies get their
I'll
own.
have to bring our 4 so we get 4 fries.
Yep, you will. And
We have 4 tiny ones.
Margarita.
What's her name?
Hey, you forgot
Margarita?
Margarita.
Come on.
Now,
Come on, little Margarita. She didn't come
no,
out.
she won't come out.
Oh, she won't. Okay.
He
Well,
tries to steal the puppies inside.
we're gonna walk on over to Ken's grocery outlet. We had a blast. Thank you all for watching.